नमस्कार दोस्तों, अभी हम भारत मंडपम प्रगति मैदान में एडुकेट्स एक्सपो 2024 जिसका आगाज आज ही हुआ है और 11 और 12 मई तक ये चलेगा। 10 बजे सुबह से लेके शाम 7 बजे तक हॉल नंबर 4 GF में ये लगा हुआ है और हिंदुस्तान की सारी अच्छी प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ आए हुए हैं और यहाँ पर वो बता रहे हैं कि आप कैसे एडमिशन ले सकते हैं, क्या उनकी फीस है और क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है। अब हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं एडुकेट्स एक्सपो 2024 में और अभी हम लोग अंदर अब चल रहे हैं, आपको दिखाएंगे कि क्या क्या और क्या प्रोसीजर है। बेसिकली यहाँ रजिस्ट्रेशन करते हैं वो लोग और उसके बाद अंदर जाते हैं। ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये पूरा रजिस्ट्रेशन काउंटर, यहाँ पे बच्चे अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करा रहे हैं और रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद आप अंदर जाएंगे। आप यूनिवर्सिटीज के बारे में आप जानकारी ले सकते हैं और ये घुसते ही चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी का ये स्टॉल, ये आप देख सकते हैं और पूरी इंक्वायरी चल रही है कि हाउ टू गेट एडमिशन हियर। इसलिए जरूर अगर आपके बच्चे 12th का एग्जाम दिए हैं तो जरूर आएं, देखें और प्रोसीजर पता करें कि कैसे यहाँ पे एडमिशन आपका बच्चा जिस भी फील्ड में आना चाहे, ये पूरे फील्ड का यहाँ पे सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज आई हुई हैं और आपको बताएंगी। ये है शोलोनी यूनिवर्सिटीज, ये देखिए ये प्लांट के लिए ये बॉक्स बना है, जो इनके यहाँ फॉर्म भरेंगे उनको ये प्लांट का एज ए गिफ्ट कि यू आर रजिस्टर्ड हियर फॉर एडमिशन, तो उसके बारे में ये बता रहे हैं। आपके यहाँ पे किस किस चीज का एडमिशन है गुप्ता जी?
यूजी पीजी पीएचडी सारी
UGP PhD और MBAs भी हैं यहाँ पे
मैनेजमेंट कोर्सेज
हैं। और ये यूनिवर्सिटी कहाँ पे है?
ये हिमाचल प्रदेश नियर कसौली
कसौली में है। चलिए, और ये क्या किससे एफिलिएटेड है? UGC अप्रूव्ड है। चलिए, वेरी गुड। हम KCC इंस्टीट्यूट्स के स्टॉल पे हैं और यहाँ पे मैडम हैं, मैं उनका नाम पूछ रहा हूँ। क्या नाम हुआ आपका?
My name is Sushmita Kakkar.
सुष्मिता कक्कड़ जी हैं।
Counselor in the KCC Institute of Technology and Management. My
बताइए क्या है आपका?
KCC I am the admission counselor in KCC Institute of Technology and Management.
Good.
This college is affiliated with 3 universities. One is AKTU, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. We are also affiliated with IPU, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University.
Very good.
And there is CCS University,
Very
Chaudhary Charan Singh University.
Very
Now
good.
we are taking direct admission on the basis of management quota, 15% quota. The one who scores minimum 45% in PCM, they are eligible to do the course of BTech courses.
Good.
And when it comes to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, the student who has minimum percentile of 50% percentage,
Okay.
they are eligible for the admission.
Very
And
good.
for CCS University, they can go for direct admission. There is no entrance test.
No,
No
through from
Direct
your
admission,
institution
yes,
or direct
from KCC.
from KCC.
From KCC.
What is the full name of the KCC?
Sir, it is KCC. It is a group, sir.
It's a group.
It's a group.
So any
KCC
full name is not there?
No, sir.
Okay.
It's just KCC Institute of Technology and
Okay.
Management.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So
ma'am.
nice. So nice, Susmita.
Great.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank
you. भूमि उत्तराखंड यूनिवर्सिटी स्टॉल F5, यहाँ पर भी एडमिशन का ही वो है और काफी सारे लोग इंक्वायरी ले रहे हैं। बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही लाजवाब। और आइए हम आपको आगे चल रहे हैं, आपको इसके बारे में हम बताते हैं। गीता यूनिवर्सिटी हाईएस्ट पैकेज 40 LPS। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। Manipal University, Jaipur, very nice. And Mr. Rahul is there and he can brief me about their admission process and all. So Rahul जी कृपया थोड़ा बताएं।
हाँ जी, किस कैंपस के लिए? मतलब हमारे
अभी आपका जो जयपुर का कैंपस यहाँ आया है, तो जयपुर कैंपस के बारे में ही थोड़ा सा आप अपने बताएं इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में.
हमारा जो कैंपस है, we are 12-year-old campus.
Yeah.
Okay, we started in 2011.
Yeah.
And we have nearly 75 programs.
Mhm.
And we have our own entrance test for the engineering. Since you can see like many optional
Yeah.
queries we are getting with the entrance test. And we also have we have 5 different faculties.
Okay.
Like faculty
All
of
are in
engineering.
the science stream.
No, faculty of engineering, faculty of design, faculty of arts, faculty of law.
Mm.
Okay, then again we are offering again in law also we have multiple courses.
LLM also
No,
there?
yes, we have LLM, we have PhD program.
Okay.
Okay,
And what about the post graduation for the management side? You have?
we have MBA. Okay,
MBA.
again in MBA we have 2 different MBAs. One is the general MBA,
Uh-huh.
and again one more MBA in the business. Business analyst.
Business
That-
BA,
that-
business analytics.
Data analyst. That
Okay.
also we have.
And what about the AI is also included
Yes,
in
we
MBA?
have that. We have that.
So the course is duration for 2 years or
No, AI is
15 or 18
no, for
years?
MBA.
Yeah.
No, that we don't have, sir.
You don't have MBA.
No, we have MBA,
Uh-huh.
but the
And
AI
duration is
2 years. 2 years.
24
sir.
months.
Yes.
And what about the BBA is also there?
So we have BBA 3 years.
Uh-huh.
Again, in that also we also have integrated also.
Integrated. I mean the
MBA.
5 years
Yes, sir,
basically,
we have.
along with the MBA.
Yes, sir.
So kindly you tell me about the tuition fee and all and the hostel facilities about that.
So hostel facility we have for both for boys and girls.
Mhm.
Okay, and the fee will be around 2,60,000,
2,60,000
including everything, food
for 4
for
year,
entire year.
for entire year.
Single year.
For single year,
Yes, yes.
2.60,
Yes.
including with the hostel and the fooding
Fooding.
and the tuition fee.
No, tuition fee is separate.
2.60 for the hostel and the
and whatever tuition fee.
fooding, lodging, and fooding also. Okay.
Okay.
And what about the tuition fee charges for the first year?
No, tuition fee depend upon the course. Now, for example, we have journalism mass communication.
Okay.
So for that, the tuition fee is 87,500
Okay. For
Okay.
per year.
per year.
Yeah.
So the tuition fee for the course is different, but the
Mhm.
hostel fee it's a similar for everyone.
Similar. And the hostel is basically for the both veg and non-veg or only vegetarian?
No, it's for both. Even also, if it's certain students who are like Jain food, we
Yeah.
also offer.
Yeah.
Okay. In fact, if any student has a particular diet also as a medical,
Okay.
we offer that also.
You are also.
They have to inform the authorities that also. that's
And
okay.
what about this is the sharing room or single room
So
or
we
three
have
bed?
we have 2 sharing. We used to offer the single sharing also.
Okay.
Okay.
So single sharing and double is I
Double
mean
is there.
some
Yes, sir.
difference is price
The
difference
price
is there.
difference is
And
there.
this is a non-AC or AC?
No, all entire hostel is AC.
AC.
Yes.
Right. And this group is basically Manipal group.
Yes.
And I think it's a hospital also there for the Manipal and
Yes,
this
we
is
have.
separate.
Yes, we have.
You have. Okay.
The,
It's
the
on-
Manipal Hospital, yes, we
Yeah.
have.
This
And
is
also-
the chain basically
It's a
of the
chain,
group.
yes, right.
Okay. And medical
No, we don't
university?
offer. Okay, we have our sister concern, like the Manipal Hospital, we have tie-up with that.
Hmm.
In our hostel itself, we have a clinic.
Okay.
So in case if a child requires a medical attention,
Mhm.
so first responder is that particular clinic.
Okay.
And if he needs a special attention,
Okay.
then the child is referred to the Manipal Hospital, which is based in Jaipur itself.
And what about the NAC credential about that?
Yes,
University?
we have. Yeah,
So
we, as
this
you
is
can
A
see,
plus
we
plus
have
or
mentioned,
what?
yes, A plus. That's our score 3.28.
3.2.
Okay.
Good. And this is under UGC and AICT.
Yes, sir.
And
And not just that, we also like the Bar Council of India.
Okay.
Okay, and the most important, the engineering, which is the NBA rating.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so certain programs like as you can CSIT, MBA,
Mm-hmm.
and EC. So they are
Okay.
NBA.
Okay. So it's very nice. So nice. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Basically the sole in charge of this university. So I am just asking about the university admission process and the hostel facility and the tuition fee and all. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon for giving this opportunity to speak about Susant University. We started Susant School of Art and Architecture in 1989. It was the first private school of art and architecture in North India.
Good.
And we have got 35 years around the legacy of art and architecture.
Good.
We have got around 2,700 alumni, not only in India but abroad.
Very nice.
US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand.
Very good.
2000 we became AIT, Ansal Institute of Technology of one of the you can say best schools in engineering, technology, and management. It was affiliated to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University.
And architect also, architecture.
Yes, we have
Yeah.
architecture with
I
us.
think it's old,
Yeah.
basically
Very
architecture.
old,
Yeah.
since 1989.
Yes.
1989.
Correct, sir.
And most of the toppers of Susant University, or that time it used to be AIT, used to be in the IPU, Indraprastha University. 2012 we became Ansal University,
Mhm.
and 2020 we changed the name from Ansal University to Susant University
Sushant.
to keep the long-standing legacy of academics
Correct.
into architecture.
Yes.
Right now we have got 7 schools:
Okay.
School of Architecture, School of Design, School of Law, School of Business, School of Allied Health Sciences, School of Hotel, Hospitality or Hotel Management,
Mhm.
and also we have School of Engineering and Technology.
Okay.
We have got Department of Planning and Development also.
Very good, sir.
We have courses like BB LLB, BA LLB, LLB Honors, LLM and PhD.
Oh, very
We
nice.
do have courses like BCom, BBA, MBA and PhD.
MBA is also
MBA
with
also is there. MBA with the international immersion,
Okay.
and MBA domestic as.
Domestic.
Yeah. International immersion is 15 days with Singapore and 15 days with Dubai.
15 days. I mean
15,
for the
15 days, yes.
1 month.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we have School of Engineering, we have BTech, Computer Science, Cybersecurity, AML, Data Sciences.
Mhm.
We have BCA, MCA and PhD,
Mhm.
MTech and PhD also in
Okay.
computer science. We have civil engineering as well with us.
Very good, sir.
Hotel management we have got with Vettel France.
Metal France.
Vettel
Okay.
France. It's a dual degree program.
Mhm.
We have got 51 verticals across the globe.
Mhm.
And in India, we have got only one, that is with us, Susant University.
Okay. Okay.
Students, every year they go for international internships, which are paid. And most of the students, they go to the English speaking countries,
Okay.
right? And they go to Asia, South Africa, America, and Europe.
Europe.
We have School of Allied Health Sciences, in which we have Bachelor of Pharmacy, 4-year program approved by PCI.
Mhm.
We have Bachelor of Cardiovascular Technology,
Oh.
BMRIT, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology,
Mhm.
Bachelor of Optometry,
Mhm.
BSc Psychology.
Very good.
So these are the programs with us. Students who are disappointed by this course of NEET,
Mhm.
they can go for these alternate
These are
courses.
Very
Yes.
good. And what about your admission system, sir?
Yeah, it's very easy. Students who have scored 60% of marks in 12th,
12.
they can take our own entrance examination.
Okay.
If they've taken NEET also, we honor that.
Mhm.
If they've taken JEE, we honor that.
Honor.
They have taken NATA, we honor for architecture, National
Mhm.
Aptitude Test for Architecture. If they have taken UC, the NID, NIFT, we honor it for BDES programs.
And what about, sir, the BBA and the MBA?
BBA and MBA we honor CAT, MAT, JAT.
CAT, MAT, JAT.
Yeah,
Okay.
for
and
NPAT also and MAT
NPAT
as well.
also.
Yeah.
So what about your
Yeah.
examination also for the BBA and MBA? Or
Yeah, we do
according
have
to
our
the
entrance
marks?
examination. We honor those entrance
Honor.
examinations
Okay,
also.
okay,
Even CUET also score
CUET.
we honor.
Very nice.
We are also even in the panel of CUET
Oh,
or the
very
UGC. That way it is.
And what about the accreditation, sir? The NAC, you are A++?
No, we are in the process of getting the accreditation done.
Nice.
This year we have, applied for,
Mhm.
and I think within 3-4 months we'll get that.
And what about the UGC, sir?
We are approved by UGC. We are-
NIRF?
NIRF ranking, we have gone for architecture.
Mhm.
So we have got good score in that.
Very good,
Yeah.
sir. So nice.
We are even at times better than SP and SAP.
Okay,
that
very
way.
good. Okay.
In design, we have interior design, interior architecture.
I mean
user
BDS,
experience-
BDS, MDS.
BDES,
BDES.
Bachelor of Design.
Yeah, Bachelor
So
of
we have
Design.
got
Okay.
interior design, interior architecture,
Mhm.
user experience design, VFX, gaming.
So you are master of for the design, basically.
Yes, master of design as
Yeah.
well as for architecture.
Yeah, architecture. You are the very.
Yes, yes.
I
Since
mean, the
long we have.
single university at the time for 10 years back.
Yes,
You are the single one in the
single,
program.
single,
Yeah,
that-
so it's a very nice university, sir.
Yes.
And it's so nice, Yadav Saab.
Thank you
And
so
thank you
much. We
talking
have
to
got
you.
hostels for 700 students in the
Okay.
campus itself.
Okay.
Well connected with metro and rapid metro.
Okay, sir.
Right,
So
sir.
nice, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Take care, sir.
Good
Bye-bye.
good bye.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
And what's your good name?
My name is Kusum.
कुसुम जी, आप बेनिट यूनिवर्सिटी टाइम्स ग्रुप की तरफ से आप हैं। आप अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़ा सा मुझे बताएं, क्योंकि आजकल ये यूनिवर्सिटी काफी फायरिंग मोड में चल रही है
अच्छा
और इसके एड्स भी काफी आ रहे हैं और बच्चे इसके बारे में जानना भी चाहते हैं। बेसिकली आपका जो मैनेजमेंट का अभी प्रोग्राम हुआ था जिसमें आपके चेयरमैन साहब ने भी बहुत अच्छी स्पीच दी थी, उसी के बारे में थोड़ा बताएं, एडमिशन प्रोसेस क्या है आपका और फीस क्या है। पहला आप तो एमबीए के बारे में बता दें,
एमबीए तो राइट नाउ हमारा एमबीए के एडमिशन ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं, तो
क्या प्रोसेस है एडमिशन का आपका?
प्रोसेस फॉर दैट इफ यू आर हैविंग गिवन एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ कैट या फिर मैट और
CAT, MAT, and MAT and SAT. This is the basically the score you people are taking the admission. And what is the tuition fee of your admission?
So total fees for the 2 years 12 lakh basically.
12 lakhs
6
rupees.
lakh you can say that.
Okay.
And the semester wise the student can pay. We do have in campus hostels also.
I mean, four
semester will be there.
4 semester. I mean
Yes.
the 6 months, 6 months, and 6 months.
Yes.
So as per the 12 lakhs, that is convert into the 4.
Yes.
So
yes,
this is the
correct.
basically. And what
Correct.
about your I mean hostel and food?
Hostel facility we are providing like triple sharing and double sharing. For PG courses we do have double sharing
Correct.
also. So in double sharing, food facilities there like dinner, lunch and breakfast.
Okay.
Plus snacks also in 5 p.m.
Okay.
Apart from that, boarding lodging will be there, and
Okay.
obviously laundry also there. So also all the facility we were providing.
And
in
the
hostel.
girls and the boys hostel is
separate, yes.
separate, and the is distance, or it's a common basically the one one.
No, that is the separate one. Separate
Okay,
buildings will be
okay.
there.
Very good. And what about the engineering also you are providing?
Yes, we do have engineering program.
Yeah. So right now you are laughing from you have the engineering basically.
Yes. We have actually 7 schools right now, and
Okay.
recently we added one school, like the 7th one, that is BTech in AI specialization with the limited seats of 60.
Correct.
And we have BTech Computer Science program,
Very good.
a mechanical one. Also, we are providing biotechnology in engineering.
Very good.
Apart from that, mechanical engineering. So
Very
these
nice.
program we are providing in BTech right now.
Good.
BTech Computer Science, we are having 15 specialization.
Okay.
So this is a very niche kind of program wherein we have very good intake of the students. So approx the fee structure for the 4 years is 15,70,000 around.
15 lakhs and ever.
Yes.
Okay. What about the AI? Right now AI is very hot cake.
Yes, we have
So,
specialization in AI.
the basically the tuition fee and all the same for the AI and the computer science.
No. That separate program is very different. But
Okay.
recently it is not. So we soon up, with come up this fee structure also. But right now, BTech Computer Science we are giving with the 15 specialization.
Okay.
First year with the common one. Second year the student can choose
Correct.
wisely whichever specialization.
Correct.
looking for.
And what is the admission process, madam?
For BTech right
Yeah.
now, obviously we have 2 process basically. On the basis of first, so student have to have JEE score. If the student,
JEE score.
JEE
Okay.
score ke basis mein you can take admission, but obviously minimum of 70%
Required.
in 12th is important. Basically 12th is main criteria. Physics
Easy.
and maths, no third subject any
Any.
higher score you can add on.
Okay.
Yeah.
And basically the course you are providing, and what about the campus selection ratio, madam? Right now, campus selection.
Campus selection in the
I mean the-
placement you are asking.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
See, right now the highest package is 1.47 something or around crore,
Okay.
and then average is 9.45.
Very good.
Yeah. So this is the package scenario right now.
And what about the for MBA people, the campus? It
Yeah,
is so
I'm
nice.
taking care of the undergrad program
Okay,
basically. Yeah.
so nice. Thank you, Kusanti.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
what's a good name?
Somebody is there online.
ये देखिए जेपी यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, इनके भी सारे लोग आए हुए हैं और अच्छा काउंटर पे भीड़ चल रहा है, बहुत बढ़िया। जेबी नॉलेज पार्क फरीदाबाद दिल्ली से बहुत ही सुंदर। अनंत नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी, मिट आर्ट डिजाइन टेक्नोलॉजी यूनिवर्सिटी पुणे, पुणे के भी काफी सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज आई हुई हैं। ICFI ग्रुप ये भी आया हुआ है। बुक्स, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक PHFI, लंच टाइम, एडमिशन ले लो। वाह, ये क्या है? वाह, DBS Global Universities, Special Scholarship for Girls, Viksit Bharat, Startup University, Gurugram, APJ Satya University.